everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Dream India developers' new launch project Mumbai Dreams located in Oshiwara, Jogeshwari West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual land parcel of the project. This is the actual land parcel. You can see the sales office is also getting constructed. And now I will also show you the main road and the neighborhood of the project. As you can see, this is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. And behind me is SV Road. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project will be spread across the land parcel of 1.5 acres that will have one tower with 2 wings, each having ground plus 42 floors, consisting of 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near A1 Darbar, bang on SV Road, and towards my left is the SV Road in Oshiwara, Jogeshwari West, from where Western Express Highway is only 200 meters, Metro Station is only 500 meters, Jogeshwari Railway Station is only 800 meters and Vicino Mall is only at a distance of 500 meters. Talking about the amenities, this project has 45 plus amenities with swimming pool, golf simulator, dedicated prayer space, dedicated Qurbani space, kids play area and many more. Talking about the configuration and carpet area, as told, this project has 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 415 square feet, 2 BHK carpet area ranging between 550 to 625 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 859 square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if you like the project, you can book by paying a token amount of 1 lakh for 1 BHK, 2 lakhs for 2 BHK and 3 lakhs for 3 BHK. Also, this EOI will have multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts and preference in inventory selection, which means the EOI clients will be called first on the day of the launch and they can select the inventory flats. So everyone, this was the teaser of Dream India developer new launch project Mumbai Dreams located in Oshiwara, Jogeshwari West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.